Hi guys, welcome back. So this is Saurav. So today I'm going to talk about 5 key e-commerce hacks for 2021. So let's get started. So there you are. So first, safe harbor. Let's dig in straight. So the first point that you should consider is that element that we all are scared about, which is that FOMO moment, the fear of missing out. So if so, when you put in elements like there are people who are buying a particular product, or there is a time limited offer, or there are so many visitors who've been viewing this product, those are elements which actually create a lot of anxiety amongst the visitor, the buyer. So that leads or helps in conversion. So let's say, if you look at this particular example, so this watch, there was someone who bought in Houston. So that itself provides that particular element of, well, I'm missing out on something, so let me go out there and purchase this particular watch. So that's a very critical point that you should remember when you are actually putting your products on your e-store. Also, it is a very good element in social proof. So I had covered the reviews and testimonials in one of my videos a few days ago. So all these add to what is called social proof. So it helps you build a community page for your e-store. The second element that you should look at is the chatbot or the live chat. So there are researches that have been done, and Ometrics has said that live chat or chatbots actually help conversions 3 times faster. So if you are chatting with, if you're having a live chat, then chances are you would actually make a sale. It is 3 times more, 300%. It also allows lightning fast customer service. So if at that very moment the customer is having some trouble to choose or has questions, you can address that immediately. It also offers a great lead gen tool. So if you could not convert at that moment, you can probably cross sell or upsell or do any other sell, or even probably go back to them at a later point in time and then sell that same product when the customer is ready to buy. Hence, it offers you an opportunity to remarket your product. Obviously, it allows you to do A/B split analysis on your products and how you would actually put your sales pages, you put them, how do you do the UI and UX of your sales pages, what to put and what not to put, the heat maps and all of that. The third point is the lost sales. So you'll find many products offer a massive discount. If you look at it over here, this particular mobile phone, they're offering at a discount. They know very well that the customers will have to buy accessories, and that's where they make a lot of revenue. So they may make a loss in the product, but they make up multiple times by selling accessories. Amazon Kindle is a great example. They sell Kindle cheap, but to buy those ebooks to read on Kindle, you have to pay money, and they don't really cost much for them to create those ebooks on for Kindle. Fourth point, social proof. So it's a take from the first point. So if you have great ambassadors or celebrities who are talking about your product or are giving great positive reviews or testimonials, then that's a great opportunity for you to lead gen and convert. So if you are looking at, look at this particular example, Shopify, it has Google talking about it. So the moment you have a strong brand Google who talks about it, it does give you that extra added impetus for you to go to your next customer to and sell your product. So that's what is called a smart marketing tool, and it's based on social proof, and you can use that on your search marketing, on your display marketing, and on your social media marketing. The last point is the relevance of engaging the SEO title. So you would notice here, so if you're looking for a watch and if you mention very clearly what the customer is potentially going to receive and or read when he goes onto the page, that leads to a potential conversion. So if you see here, there is a very clear mention of men's watch, the price match guarantee by Watch Shop, and that goes higher over Longines on the search bar. So that's a great example of how you actually provide engaging SEO title to make a conversion or convert a customer into or convert into a sale. So if you also notice that they have not mentioned any keyword or brand name up there. Longines has a brand name, yet they actually feature lower in the search rank page. So those were the 5 key elements or growth hacks which you should actually consider for your eStore this particular year. So that's it, guys. That's all that I had to talk about today. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 3 years of global experience. I will have my LinkedIn profile link in the description below. Please go ahead and connect with me. You can also get a free copy of this tutorial if you subscribe to my newsletters, fill up the form. And I do consult companies, startups, and enterprises. So if you have any challenges in your organization, please reach out to me. And you have to check yes on the third field of the form, and I shall reach out to you immediately. So that's it, guys. If you have anything else, any other challenges that you want to talk to me about, please write in. Please let me know. I'll be happy to help you on all of that. So great. I will be back again with my next tutorial very soon. So take care and have a great day ahead. Cheers. Bye-bye.